Today I'll show you how to do half frog pose, Ardha Bhekasana. Now there's different frog poses in yoga. This one is done in a prone position, so facing down towards the floor. So I like to begin here with my forearms in front of me, and forearms would be parallel with the front edge of your mat. Lifting the chest up, and the half frog pose is done with one leg bent. So I'm going to bend my left leg here, using my right arm for support as I reach the left hand back. Bringing the hand to the top of the foot as much as possible so that the fingers and toes point in the same direction. Pressing the hand down into the foot and pressing the foot back up into the hand. Taking the gaze forwards. So this is a good quad stretch and a good shoulder opener. Releasing the foot. I'll change sides. So now bringing my left forearm to the floor for support. Right hand to right foot. Pressing that foot down towards the glute muscle. And kicking the foot back up into the hand. So that's how to do half frog pose, Ardha Bhekasana.